Yeah, certainly. I think that the principal challenge is bringing AI out from the labs and from simple POCs into actual work within industry. So we've been seeing people doing proof of concepts, but they haven't really been using AI as widely as we would have expected. And I think 2019 is the year that we will see industry finally sort of getting to grips with it and using it more widely. I think that one of the places that we will see some disruption is around the use of artificial intelligence in human resources. That's a really growing field, and it's something that the forum itself is going to experiment with. And so because we believe that before we do work, we should make sure that with artificial intelligence, we should make sure that we think about the ethical aspects of AI. We are actually in the process of writing a white paper to help not only us, but also other industries think about the ethical use of AI in human resources. Well, there are a number of initiatives around the world, and in fact, the Chinese Association of Artificial Intelligence just announced a few days ago that they were going to be writing some ethical guidelines for AI. And certainly there's been work around Europe and the US. And one of the things that we are doing again here at the Forum is convening a global artificial intelligence council with ministers from government and CEOs from civil society and business and academics to really look at this issue of how do you govern AI and how would one manage that globally. And the chairs of that are Kai-Fu Lee from Sinovation Ventures and Brad Smith of Microsoft. Yes, absolutely. It's really exciting because it's our first forum presence in the Middle East, and of course in the UAE there is already a minister for AI, so it's really exciting to be able to work with his office. What we'll be doing is working together on projects that will shape global governance and also shape the governance of AI within the UAE.
You said human resources would be probably most affected by AI.
Yes.
Do you see any, there have been a lot of talks about impact on jobs and human capital. How will this play out?
Well, I don't think 2019 will be the year that we particularly see job losses as a result of mass automation. I think we're looking at that more in 2025 period. But we will begin to see some of those losses. But what is exciting, and again, very exciting for having the affiliate, is that we will actually be able to think about reskilling of the workforce for the digital age. And in fact, the Forum has a whole group of people devoted to thinking about and helping governments and companies think about that reskilling. Well, I think there was a survey recently that showed that only 28% of US firms had adopted any form of AI thus far. So I think that statistic says no businesses don't really understand the impact of AI yet. And we are actually going to be launching this year a toolkit to help businesses understand just a little bit about AI and then understand how to use it in competitive strategy and operation, and how the use of AI might actually affect their brand strategy. Well, I always say that without AI, we wouldn't have the rest of the fourth industrial revolution, but equally without data, we wouldn't have AI. But if you think about it, most of the other things that are happening in emerging tech are bound to AI. So you can't have IoT without running AI over the data. Precision medicine, you need AI. Autonomous vehicles run because of AI. And so AI is really the most important component of all those technologies. Well, we have some fantastic sessions here at Davos around AI, including one at which your Minister of AI will speak. And so I'm very much looking forward to that. I am hoping that the sessions that we have around AI will help businesses to become more acquainted with the idea, so that we can really, as I say, begin to have 2019 as a year of adoption.